What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now I've been trying for the last couple of days or so now to film this video, and unfortunately I just haven't been able to do it. Obviously I know many of you will have heard about Hurricane Ian. Well, it's now the 2nd of October and I shouldn't be here right now. I should be in Orlando. I was meant to arrive on Thursday. Hurricane Ian unfortunately put the kibosh on that. Virgin Atlantic cancelled the flights, which is a no-brainer. I mean, I'd sooner be here, be safe, than be over there. I was dealing with all that because I've been through two of them now, and they're not a nice situation to be in. To all those affected, my heart goes out to you. Obviously there's no words I could even say that would make it any better, unfortunately. I just know it's not a nice situation to be in. But I hope all those affected come out of this the other side. I managed to reschedule the flight for this Tuesday. So, as of the 4th of October, I'm heading out to Orlando with Virgin Atlantic. So I'll be bringing you a full travel day video. Now the travel day video I'll be bringing you on the Wednesday. So we fly on the 4th, on the 5th expect the travel day video to go live around somewhere around the afternoon time in the UK. That video will be going out. I will make sure that video goes out. And obviously, as you can see, this shouldn't be this long. I've normally got a completely shaved head and I haven't been able to do it because the trip got cancelled. So this will look completely different on Wednesday. There will be a travel day video almost straight away. Now I know I haven't finished the other series that I've been doing, and that's because I didn't want you guys to watch garbage videos. I mean, I could put them out, next thing it gets views, people look at them, and then people might say, well, that was awful. And I'd sooner not put you guys through that. Now I know you probably think this is a new channel. It's not a new channel, it's been around since 2013. And I've actually been doing YouTube on my other channel since 2014. And there's almost like 700 plus videos on that other channel. So unfortunately, I'm not new to doing YouTube. So I need to get better at doing these videos. I need to get over myself. Videos are mostly based in the house, and I need to get out of that mindset now of where I can just get the phone out, get a camera out, and just vlog and get stuff done for you guys to watch. And I really shouldn't care what other people think behind me. So fingers crossed I can get these done. There's not going to be a video every single day from the trip, as there's going to be days where we're going to be chilling out. There's not going to be much going on. I don't want to bring that kind of stuff to you guys, so I don't want to bring you any dull videos to watch. We've got stuff planned. We're not doing Disney this time though either. That will be in a couple of trips time. This also as well is trip number 68. So this is number 68, and then in November is 69, and then hopefully next year we can hit the 70 and make the 70th visit a special one with Disney and stuff like that. So make sure you stay tuned for trip 70, but we have got these coming up first, so let's get these done. The Disney trip will be sometime next year. I'm not going to do it this trip, but obviously I've got another announcement to make too. There is another trip coming up almost instantly straight after this one. Now it was meant to be for IAPA, but unfortunately I'm not doing IAPA this year. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different. The night I arrive is when all the Christmas stuff starts. So all the holiday specials all begin the night I arrive. So I'm going to be trying my best to get to the parks as soon as I arrive on that first night to bring you guys the holiday specials. So make sure you stay tuned for those, because I do plan on getting to both Universal parks for both holiday specials. So fingers crossed I can do that, but I'll let you guys know how I get on. And obviously there will be a travel day video again from that one. We're flying with someone completely different this time, Aer Lingus, into Terminal C, the new terminal, so I'll bring you a video from the new terminal too. I'm not going to bring you guys a video from the hotel neither. I'm staying in the Crown Plaza again, same hotel, I always stay there every single time. But if you want to watch that video, I'll leave a link right here for you guys to check out. I have done a tour of that resort, so that's right here. That's going to do it, guys. This is the big announcement. 2 trips coming up almost instantly, and one is this Tuesday. If you're watching this on Tuesday, I travel out, and on the Wednesday there will be a travel day video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I truly appreciate it. I will be bringing you guys more videos. Fear not, they are coming. Let me know in the comment section if you're out there right now, if you plan on going out there, if you've got any trips coming up, and let me know what you think I maybe should bring to you guys that you'd like to see on the channel. Obviously I'm going to try and do things a little bit differently, so hopefully I can get things done But thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I truly appreciate it. If you like this, drop a like, love this, drop a sub, turn on those notifications so you don't miss future uploads from this channel, and I'll see you all soon. For now guys, take care, and I'll see you on Wednesday.